Part 4, Advanced Note Naming Conventions. In this section, we will continue with exercises designed to enhance your ear training and introduce additional clefs for practice. These fundamentals are crucial for developing your ability to hear and understand music more effectively. We will also explore advanced concepts that build on the foundations laid in earlier parts, rounding out our system and expanding your musical knowledge. One of the things you should do before going on is making sure you know where all the white keys are on the piano. So you should be able to identify the notes of the piano based on this pattern of double and triple sets of black keys. So the one to the left of the double set is always going to be a C, which makes the next note a D, an E. The one to the left of the triple set will always be an F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F. So just take a few moments to make sure that you understand how the piano keyboard works, because now we're going to talk about how these black keys affect the pitch on the piano.